Hi everybody, I am replacing the screen on my hp110-3009. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to slide this thing to pop up the back, and then you just pull up and unclip the back and take that off. And then we are going to flip this over. Make sure you remove the battery pack and unplug the charge cable. Then we are going to open it up, and you're going to start at the top up here, and you're going to slowly unclip on the sides, then down the sides, and then finally right at the part that joins. So as you can see, I already started. Alright, so that's what it looks like now. So next, if you look, there is a screw here, and two other screws on the sides. So we are going to undo those. They're actually pretty quick. They're pretty shallow. It's like two or three turns, and then it's out. Except for when it gets stuck like this. There it is. It's two. Three. Oops. 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 Careful with that little magnet there. Come on. And there's four. Okay, and then the screen should be able to just slide open like that, and you're going to just tilt it forwards, and you're going to have to open this up so that you can access the thing that holds the ribbon, because you need to unclip it. There you go. And then this is taped on there, which makes it extra fun. Alright, so now we have the new one, so we're just going to lay it down here, and then we are going to clip it in much in the same way that it was clipped in before. This might be a little difficult because of the fact that we have stuff that's trying to stick. So just try to push it in and make sure it's snug in there. Make sure it's snug, and then tape it same way it was. And then what we're going to do is we're going to rest it here, and we are going to plug it in and see if it works. Sorry, I forgot where the power was. There it is. you see, we're good. So we just turn it back off, and we unplug, and we're going to pull this forward to get this tape off here so it doesn't get stuck back there, and on this corner too, or this side. Okay, and then you're going to flip it back up into where it belongs and try to make sure that the holes line up, and then we will take the little screws that we took off and put them back in there. Okay, and just remember, it's lightly hand tightened. It's not. You don't need to reef on it, because you'll just break the screen or break something else. 2. 3. Watch out for this magnet that makes everything fun. Tries to stick to everything. Okay, now that everything is tight, I just like to go around and double check all of them and make sure they're in there. So that's it. You just snap the rest of the pieces back on and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching.